Hey guys, welcome to my channel Learn Tech. This is Sandeep Kol. I hope you all guys are doing good. So today's video, I will explain you a bit more about integration between a remedy system and another third-party system which supports Java. So earlier we also had seen an example where I had explained you that how we can connect remedy using Java APIs. So today I will show you a more of a practical example where you can see that how we can leverage these Java APIs to create a functionality or to integrate this remedy system with a third party system which supports Java. So now to continue with this example, so I have this registration form. This is a normal regular form created in remedy which has certain fields like name, mobile number, gender, so on and so forth. Okay, then on this particular form I can here from here itself, if I can go enter some data. Let's suppose I will enter this name, mobile number, gender, and date of birth and address, and I can save this record. Okay, now my requirement is that I need to populate this information from a third party which is a Java application. So now I will show you that application. So this is my okay, this is my Java application. So here, this is another again a registration form, but it is built in Java. It's built in Java Swing. It's a normal Java Swing application where I have this registration form. So my requirement is that I need to connect this registration form with BMC Remedy. So now, first of all, I'll show you the functionality and then I will explain. Okay, let me enter the details. I'll give in the name, mobile number, then date of birth, gender, and something as address. Okay, and then I'll accept the consents and say submit. Okay, you can see it has created a record in remedy. It has returned me a like successful response, and it has created a record in remedy with ID 203. Now let's see if it is there in the remedy. Now let me search it. If I go down, okay, yes. So you can see here a record is created in remedy, and this is the request ID 203, and these are the other details like mobile number, this is my date of birth, or this is the address which I had given in the Java application. Now let me go back again to the application. Okay, now this is how it is we will see how we have connected to remedy. So now let me just minimize it. Okay, this is my registration form here in Java. It's a normal, Java Swing application. So now from the Swing application itself, what I am doing, I'm collecting this data, name, mobile number, gender, date of birth, address, and then I'm processing it. And further, I'm creating a record in Remedy using the Java APIs. Now, uh, normally for name, it is okay. You can directly push it. Mobile number also you can directly push it. But for for this particular field, gender and date of birth, we have to do some processing. So here you can see this is a normal registration. What I am doing, I have one more class, registration form remedy. So here I am creating an object of registration class form remedy, and then I am calling a create entry object. Okay, so now let's go to that class. Okay, here in the registration class, so there's a create entry function. So this function I'm calling remedy connect. I have earlier also explained you that we need to get a remedy AR server user connection object. So this is normally where you key in the IP address and username and password to connect to remedy system. So once I'm connecting to remedy system using the object, then I'm using the same entry object to push the values to remedy system. So here name is directly pushed, mobile number is also directly pushed. For date, I'm just formatting it using simple date format. So this is the format which normally remedy understands, MMDD. So then that same format I am processing this DOB, and then I am pushing it to the remedy system. So similarly for this, the gender in remedy system, my field gender field, if I show you here, it is a just a minute. It's a radio button. So it will understand two values. either 01 or these allies names, male and female. So here I have just written a function to check it, if function to see if the value, because there is in Java it's a string. So I'm just checking if it's male, then I'm pushing 0, and else it is pushing 1. It's very simple. Similarly, then I'm pushing the process date of birth and the address. And now these two fields which are mandatory, which is submitter and short description. Then I'm creating the record in remedy system. And then once it hits the remedy system, it creates the record in remedy system, and I get a request ID. And then that request ID I have shown you here in the process system. It is like I get it as a response. Now, let me show you one more thing, how we can handle exceptions here in case of, because we know that every time when we send a request, it may not be processed. So I will show you that exception case. Let me close it. Okay, let me do one thing in the code. Let me say I will disable this, description field, or you can send this as a blank. Now I will save it. Let me run it again. So now let me again say details. Let me push mobile number. Then I will say some date of birth. This is address, and I will submit it. So once I submit it, now it will try to connect to remedy, and it will try to push this information to remedy system. But the description field is not going, so we will get an error. So this is what we have received. So you can see we have captured this error using the try catch exception, and then we have just displayed it here. So the error here itself says a request field cannot be blank, registration form short description. So this is clearly stating you that the short description field is a blank. You can see here in my back screen, also in the log itself, the error is same. So what I have done, I have captured this error in try catch exception and just printed it in the like as a response to the. So whenever I create a record, either I get a request ID or I get an error from remedy. So I am capturing that error here itself. We are getting this error, we are capturing this error, and then we are displaying it here in the Java. So this was one of the end-to-end integration from Java to remedy, where you have some form in Java and you are connecting this to remedy, or you are pushing data from Java to remedy system. So in future videos I will show you how to normally we do this with through web, using the web services. I will like make a video on that, or we will see more integration videos. This was just a simple example of a functionality built in Java which is connected to remedy system. I hope you guys are all liking my videos. So please subscribe to my channel, like my videos. I'll be posting more such videos, informative videos from BMC Remedy and other technologies. Thank you. Thanks for watching my videos.